Oh, mine is. Mine just started downloading and now it's at 99%, so. Bundle, you weren't here last time. Mine's finished, like, clearly.
Oh god, jeez.
Bundle, where were you last time?
I don't know, it's supposed somewhere else.
You were resting after giving birth.
Ooh, the new fortune cookie. Chef's. His name's literally Chef.
Filbert's a rocket cookie. Look
Chef's
how cool
fall
that is.
field cookie.
Look at Filbert's rocket cookie. Looks really cool.
Cool. Yeah, I've seen that.
Only 2 days left, though. If it ever does come back, I might get it.
Stella's here!
Stella!
Stella, my favorite sheepy.
Who's Stella? Oh! Purple sheep, okay.
I've never met her before.
Look at
She's one of my
Tangerine
new
gifts.
characters.
I guess I give to our friends. I don't really care about them. Okay, what's going on here?
Oh, I love your t-shirt. Well, I mean, you're not really wearing it. I'm probably just gonna wear it as it.
Okay.
Thank you, Stella.
Whoa, okay. So much here.
Good girl.
Counter table. Sink. I got a kitchen sink. It's awesome. Out of 3 things, the kitchen sink took the least amount of time to craft for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna invite Goose to my campsite. Hashtag Goose.
Actually, I have one.
Goose.
And Goose. Well, I don't really have him. He's not active right now. But
How much treats do you have?
I don't think I have any right now. But
I always instantly level my animals level 5. It's actually pretty cool. I like doing that.
ooh, Tammy's here. Apple's here. Oh, I need Apple.
Presents.
Jay's here, and a present open. Blue.
Floating presents.
Sherry, thank you. I haven't met you in like so long.
Do.
Butterflies and wood, thank you for the wood and stuff, because that's money. I'm saving up my wood and my cotton for things. Yes, Chef's Fall Fields cooking. It's
What's
really,
he doing?
really
Roscoe, Sherry, and Butch. Yes, my best friends.
Thank you, Jay, for your lovely opinion.
Yeah. 41 people on my campsite. That's more than you do, have, right?
No, it's not.
How much
Well,
do
I
you
might know, maybe.
You can't send you can't like give animals stuff that you have not met. You can't give animals stuff that you have not met yet.
You can't.
You can't if you have, I don't have much time to play. The last time I was playing, right? I'm trying to think about this for a second. Okay, I didn't have much time. I played for like let's say 20 minutes, right? But and I didn't get time to go around all animals. So I was going to send animals mail, but I had not met them yet, and it didn't show up that I could send them any stuff.
Oh. Yeah, I know, but you can't send every animal on every island things.
Why?
Because that's just how it works. You just can't send some people. Oh my god, Chrissy! She gave me 29 wood.
I know, it's crazy. Like I think I got like so.
29
Oh come
wood.
on!
Oh my god.
Now she just gave me 16 preserves, 23 wood, and 4 natural essences. Stop, guys! Last time, like actually, like someone gave me like a lot of stuff. It was insane. Jay and Goldie. No, walk over here. Talk to Jay.
Oh no. Oh, that's Jack. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you, but I don't really want to come to my place, you know.
Now I just got 25 preserves, 3 sporty essence, and 11 cotton. Thanks, Jay.
Thank you for the gifts and everything.
You're too nice.
I'm going to go plant some seeds.
They're no nicer than Rapunzel has ever been to me. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, where is Goldie?
The babby.
Oh, is over here. And Jack's over here.
Are you going
Uh,
here? Oh,
the Rapunzel has
the flowers are like roses, and gifts
Yeah.
are the things. The creatures are like bats.
Yeah. Okay. So the reason why I wasn't in the last one because she was sleeping when we were doing the last one because Rapunzel isn't giving birth hard.
Yeah. Okay, most of them are a success, I think.
I think I'm happy with everyone I have my campsite right now. No, what the frick? Stop! No. Mailbox. What's in here?
Complete, thank you.
Lucky tangerine gifts and 3 leaf tickets. Okay,
Oh, a penguin turned
I need to craft something for someone. Was it Kiki?
Ooh, Batty swirl
No,
lollipops.
it was just one thing.
I got Batty swirl lollipops.
It was the kitty couch.
I think these are treats. See these?
Yeah.
Look, you can't see them.
Oh.
Batty swirl lollipop.
Okay, I have 74 out of 60 cotton. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get Bob. I want to get Bob. I want to get him on my campsite Bob. It's gonna take 8 hours. I'm gonna get him to the next video. Whatever. But Bob's like legendary, like bro.
I have Bob extra. I think he's actually at.
Wait. Okay, who got up to max level, locked level? Someone did, and like I'm just forgetting. I need to do a bunch of stuff for them. Well, not a bunch of stuff, but okay, need locked. I think it's Egbert.
Okay, is there any like
Egbert's locked to level 10.
flower tree?
What do I need to do for him? Okay, and to craft this tent, I need to get the ancient temple up to level 3. That I need a lot more steel for. Actually, no, I need a lot more historical essence, I think.
These are weird. Okay.
Or whatever essence Egbert is.
Okay, I need to. Oh, jeez, my.
Whatever whatever essence I need. Okay.
Carries up.
Loading. Okay, I have a few presents to pop.
Alright, yeah, I see it. Thank you.
Okay, I got a steel map, actually. Do I need steel? No, I don't need the steel, but, I was gonna see. 1,000 per roll. That's pretty good.
I might decorate a little bit of my campsite for Halloween.
Even, I don't want to spend 1 leaf ticket. Whatever. I have 137,000 bells. Okay, whatever.
Just gonna collect my.
It wouldn't matter.
gold.
Just roll. I haven't done this in a while. I just keep insta-clearing. Because, like, whatever. But I like doing this. Wait, oh. Yeah, okay, that's good. 1 steel. 2, please, 2.
Okay.
No,
I'm gonna collect
Frick you,
my
chicken.
things.
1 steel, okay.
I'm gonna go check what's on the camera because it's like has a question mark.
5.
Oh, there for the Halloween update. There's limited time poses for your pictures.
Why is that limited time? I don't get that.
Cause it's haunted, like for Halloween. Dude, like have some fun in your life. Why is Bio looking at
Preserves map. I have it there.
Wait. Steel? Thank you, Bio.
Historical essence. I need that actually.
What's historical?
Need for world 6 preserves, and I have a preserves map. How do I? No, I don't want.
Blueberry? No, sorry, Blueberry. It's something from it.
Actually, wait. Okay, I'm gonna do the preserves map to get preserves to do the historical essence map.
Oh my god, Okay, I want you to guess a number between 1 and 100. How many steel Blueberry got me?
47.
No.
How much?
61.
61?
Yeah.
God, sick. What? I like freaked out like the last time at like how much people got me.
That's
Okay.
a lot, and I'm gonna talk to Chrissy again.
I'm not-
Chrissy has so much.
I'm not gonna spend any leaf tickets. I'm just gonna spend my bells.
Chrissy's so rich.
Cause gonna get to preserve.
I'm going to update maybe my terrain back to the forest one, so it's more Halloweeny, I guess.
Okay, so after this, I'll be able to get Egbert past level 10, or at least I'll be able to get the tent up to level 3 to get able to craft the tent to get Egbert past level 10. God, it's
Okay,
confusing.
I'm going to decorate my place.
I think I
I'm
need.
gonna start
Okay,
with-
please just get 2, or 1, so I can land on that one.
That's a
or
creepy
whatever.
thing I have. This is pretty creepy. Yeah, actually, never mind. That's
Get
really
2 or 1, or
okay,
3.
I'm
That's
leaving
fine.
my what's that called?
To roll the die. I thought
What's
like
the tent I have? It's not a tent. It's the merry-go-round. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
but it's-
leave that because like it's kind of like a carnival, spooky carnival, you know. It's not very spooky at all, but we're just gonna pretend like it's
like a
very spooky.
21. I think I'll still be able to roll.
Put all this
I just
stuff
might
away.
lose a bit of preserves. I've 2 preserves maps. If I run out of preserves, I'll just go back to this map because I have 2 of them. That's great. I'm being smart and I'm trying to do stuff right here.
Okay, all this is really cute. Okay, I need to put down some stuff.
I have 165 preserves.
Jesus.
What am I worried about? I was trying to. I was saying like even if I don't have enough, I still have 2 more maps left. But like, doesn't matter.
Just put that kind of in the corner there.
As I want to get historical essences. An 8? Ooh. Should get a lot of that. I thought we just got like 1. Okay, we'll have enough for Egbert. Now I just got 1. Oh, okay.
I need the Halloween. Oh, this, yeah.
I keep forgetting
need
you have to
these.
click it again.
Those need to be. No, I'm putting them in the middle.
Oh, it's only 1.
Just randomly, there's just that in the middle of the floor. It's okay.
"30 historical essences.
It's
Yes.
any creepy flowers. Let's see.
Doodle-doodle-doodle.
Maybe these orange ones, because like, they're kind of like Halloween, I guess.
I'm gonna pop this other present. Okay. That was awesome. If you need a hip essence map or a
This-
cute essence map, I have them.
Is very Halloween, I have to say, definitely. It has literally pumpkins outside of it. How is it not Halloween?
Sparkle Stones map for 10,000. Okay. Now,
Okay, we are gonna put the campfire back because they're cool.
let's
So cool.
go this way for Egbert. Okay, let's do the proper way. It's faster this way. Okay. Drip level. Okay, lock, craft, all the stuff. I have 108 out of 30 steel, 44 out of 10 hip.
Why do I
Historical
not
essence.
have literally any works? I do have like some, but like. why
It'll take
do-
12 hours, but whatever.
Okay, that. There needs to be more things around here. There's
It's
literally
fine.
like 2 things here. Where's a creepy
Campsite
table?
terrain enchant. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
Okay, that is really.
God.
It's not the most Halloween, but it's really nice.
It kind of reminds me of like Cinderella, right? Yeah. You know, and the pumpkin.
Oh
Thing,
yeah,
like-
yeah.
She went to the dance and stuff. Oh my god. Okay, where I'll put it? I'll put it where the bed is.
Do I have a creepy chair? I feel like I really have a creepy chair. I just don't think.
That looks this looks cool though. Look at this ancient temple.
That's pretty like.
And I'm gonna find out how long Rod's Adventure Cookie is gonna be staying there, just
Dang it.
so I know. I really need to be careful not to waste any leaf tickets because I've wasted now 100 leaf tickets on like Adventure Cookies I don't want. Because I haven't twice. No. Stop doing that.
We're gonna put some. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this table right here, this coffee table, and then we're gonna gonna put some like skeleton bones on top of it.
Oh, there's only 60s left. Oh, God. Oh, no. There's Chief's Fall Fields cookie. This looks awesome.
Maybe that side can be not Halloweeny, but this side's gonna be Halloweeny.
Okay, well, oh, damn.
This
So
side's
finally, I'm
gonna
gonna pop
be-
this present.
This side's gonna be the very.
Tobacco, 1 pair, 4 wood. Let's go to the cabin.
This is gonna be the sleeping side, so like everybody can sleep around here if they want, you know. Kind of relaxing.
Soul's Aquarium cookie is pretty cool though. Like, you in your campsite? Ooh.
Yeah, I'm making it spooky. We need to leave this
Apollo
one.
and Fang. Okay, let's go.
Seems like a dad, maybe.
Okay, you know I'm open for gifts. Okay, Fang, and I realize what she's wearing. Oh my God.
Is there any
Fang is the ultimate
steel
housewife.
No, I need something
Spooky, scary. And oh damn it, Apollo is locked to level 10. Apollo's locked to level 10 too. Okay, what do I need for him? I don't remember having Apollo locked.
Oh my god, it literally looks like a cold room. Yes.
Street tent.
Who is this?
I'm able to craft it. I can only craft like 1 tent at a time. I have the quilting up to level 3. I need more cotton. I have a lot of steel.
I'm gonna put that there.
Kitty cow just crafting. Kiki, do you love me?
Please don't.
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Can we put
Kiki.
magical?
Because I want to get Kiki. And it's going to take 4 hours, whatever, I don't care.
Yes, the bats. Is what I need.
Yum, 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 yum.
This down needs to be over there too.
Gonna eat this up.
Dang it.
Okay. We're gonna take so long to craft. I swear to God. Okay, I'm getting some for the cats. I'm working that way. Okay, Kiki. This will just be one more thing to craft. A sushi tray.
Okay, I'm gonna show you then my current setup now, my Halloween one. I'm not done the terrain, so I need to do that. Actually, I want to see the new terrain because there's obviously a new one for the
Next
update.
video I'll be able to get Bob and Kiki in my campsite. That'd be awesome.
Okay, this is the new thing.
Ooh, oh, you got that?
No, I don't have
Wait,
it.
oh.
I don't have it. That's this one. Okay, that's really nice. And the sky.
Oh, yeah, Mitzi.
And the sky.
I haven't met Mitzi yet. Let's go. I feel like I have met Mitzi though.
I don't think yet.
Whatever. Chanted Starry Forest. It's not scary, it's starry.
Sure.
Get it right, kids. What if I DD gold? Yeah, let's find out. Go to saltwater shores. Okay, I'll do that next time. Garden goals, yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you my Halloween game.
Oh. Halloween.
I don't have any Halloween things, so it's weird.
Okay, everyone, don't forget to tune in for Halloween videos and Barbara's Gaming.
It looks a little bit strange, but
Ooh.
Pony. See, this is very Halloween.
I'm going to say blue check tea.
Okay, but actually, I really like the temple. It really fits in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the skeleton bones over here.
Oh. I caught the coffin.
Yeah.
Roscoe.
We have here. This is Roscoe. This side isn't that bad, but there is like some weird, funky fairies. There's a magically floating star.
Look what-
And there's some bats over here.
Look how much treats I have.
That's a lot of treats.
I know,
Why do you have
34
so
bronze
much?
treats, 16 silver treats, and
Let's
8
zoom in.
gold treats. Like, that's so much.
Oh, lucky trinket.
I remember I ran out of treats one time. I don't think I'm gonna run out anytime soon.
So I have one silver tree. That's about it. Oh, but I have loads of these things. What are these?
Yeah.
They're like things.
You stop leaning on my knee. It's really uncomfortable. Ow. Ow. Okay, I got rustic essence.
are being nice.
Absolute Rapunzel.
I want to take a shot for Roscoe. Can I get back here? No, I can't get back there. I need to be able to get back there.
200 bucks. 5 wood.
Take a shot.
3 of this kind of fish.
I need to be going right.
Okay, I need to someone onto the ship just to get some stuff, and then I can reload all these things, and then I can get stuff really easily. Let's get some fruit and do that. Oh no, I need coconut for Mitzi. Damn it! Don't have a coconut. I don't know. Only come all the way back here.
I don't know where I am right now, but I know you're putting Oh. This has changed. Okay, so basically I wanted to set a space photo. This is what. No idea what this is. This is what. Oh, so
Oh, the perfect apple.
no, we need to probably can put couple. Okay, and oh. I can't get out of here. I'm so sad now. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Can I grab the organ for Goldie yet? Because I have so much wood. I'm not. So close though.
Okay. There's pears here.
I have this, but who wants it?
Okay. I need coconuts.
Nobody wants it. I have it. Why do I have
Coconuts.
this organ and nobody wants it?
Organ.
Yeah. And it costs 10,000 bells and 150 wood, and I don't know why I have it. Nobody even looks it. Right.
I've
Get
met this
off the
guy.
board.
I've met Cube, yes. I don't think I've met this guy. I've not met Julia.
I have.
They're moving in 1 hour.
She's my best friend. Stamp trade. I want to go back to the stamp trade for a second just to see here. Some of the cool things.
Chiefs.
Okay, there's a
Fall
lot of
Fields
cookies
cookie.
online.
Bobby. It's available for another like 3 months. So that'll be like until like Christmas.
What is?
Chiefs Fall Fields cookies.
So, there's 88 days left.
Yeah, I know. It's awesome. Until like
Carries-
late December. Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's 3 months away. It's gonna be our baby's first Christmas. Ben's first Christmas.
Yeah.
Ooh. We're up to level 5. I'll get level 50, level 53. So excited.
Jasper's over there just chilling in the corner, which is a good start.
So excited for new animals. Or animal.
Sure.
Whatever. And so much steel. I don't actually need steel. I think I have enough steel.
I'm gonna go to Happy Home Room.
Happy home room.
Sit up, B.
Can I wait? Happy home. Oh yeah, happy home room is where you design these rooms. I don't do it.
They're really good. And fun to do.
Okay. Why are you showing your butt to me, Rapunzel?
Don't be like this.
Why are you doing the other way? So I'm
Because
listening.
you're always bored.
I'm bored.
Stop.
Oh.
What's this? Why is this a
Okay. Wait. Oh no, I want to give you a snap. Okay, I just want to do that. Okay, get you level 53. No, not you level 53, but myself level 53. Do, do, do. Level 53.
Oh no, you didn't. Oh my god. No, you didn't.
10
Jack.
lead tickets. Pierce. Oh my god, Rapunzel. I'm so high. I'm only getting one animal now. I got Pierce.
Ooh,
I don't know how to feel about that.
I have that.
Oh my god, yes, I got an actual good TV now, I think. I got a treadmill. I can finally start working now. I'm gonna get that, actually. I need to get... Actually, no, I don't have any crafting spaces left. I can't work out. So sad. I really want to work out. Yeah, let's catch a bug. Okay, actually, I'm gonna load stuff onto the ship now. I'll definitely be able to by now. Anyway. Rapunzel, what are you doing? Rapunzel! 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 She's not answering. Salute, Rapunzel!
What did I do?
You knocked the phone away, hand.
The witch hats are cool. If you think I previewed it.
Oh yeah. Oh, guys, what are you doing in here? Oh no, actually, I don't know if I can get.
Wait, look. Wait, hold on. Okay, this one is very good.
Okay, well, when are you back?
Wait, you haven't got it yet? How did I get it? I want home birds.
Oh my god.
Hey, come over this way. I don't know. Oh, I see. Ah! You have it.
Oh, my hand. Oh, hey guys. That was awesome. Oh my god, it's actually really loud. Okay, sorry about that. Oh god, Rapunzel. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let's carry on. Okay, need to load stuff on the go ship now. What? What?
If you get this up to level 3, I'll show you what you can get.
Oh, Bounty Castle!
I need to do this.
Okay, this is
There's
never a
no
good
way
sign.
I'm
I
not
have
doing.
one
I'm
horse
sorry, I
mackerel.
can't. Don't matter if it wastes
Have I
my
just
con.
not been going
Just-
fishing lately? Salmon gets 2 points. What's so good about salmon?
Yes. Thank you.
I thought I'd have like more. I'm disappointed in myself. I already have 100 points though. Wait. You know, that's points needed. Oh. Well, frick that. Absolutely sucks. 5. Then another 5. Then 6 of these, 10 of these. No, what? No. Lychee, perfect apple, free grapes. Can I 30 of my preserves? I have a map of it anyway. So my natural essence I'll give away. I don't have a lot of that. Whatever.
Alright, like my witchy voice.
Ready to go. Let's begin the voyage.
This is my witch. My witch look.
Okay,
I mean blue bear.
that'll take 6 hours. I won't be playing in 6 hours. Actually, I need to go to the saltwater shores.
I'm
Actually,
gonna go to the toilet, so bye.
okay. I don't have anything for Q, but whatever. Okay. Enchanted costume collection. Oh my god, look at that. So I was gonna say I wanted to get some of those, but like all my crafting spaces are filled up. I want to get a treadmill and put it on my bedroom. That'd be awesome. Cause I've been working out lately. Been gaining some weight after getting to the barber stuff, but I'm back working out. It's awesome. My treadmill in the garage. Ray's usually on a flying car, going doing some stuff. Catch a fish. Yes, I'm gonna get silver treats for that. So why not? Let's catch a fish. Oh, I'm gonna probably save up my bells maybe for the I just got a dab. Great. I just got a dab. Okay. I can accept all. I can maybe I can accept all of these. Wait, why didn't I just say collect all? Whatever. Catch 10 fish. Cost metal collecting. Catch 10 of them. Okay. Like a see-through net for that. This is easy. Don't need whatever animals here. 130,000 bells. I'll go back up there. I need to get 10,000 more bells and I'll be back up to where I was at the beginning of this video. It doesn't matter. I have like 100,000 bells. Who cares? I got another dab. Oh yeah. I got 2 fish and they were both dabs.
What's a dab?
I don't know. It was a dab. Like what? Yeah, let's catch 10 fish in a game. Okay. Okay, Braz, I think we should end off the video. Because I don't think I am pretty finished playing by this point. Guys, that was an interesting video. Okay, hopefully next time we will not accidentally drop the phone behind the bed. Oh, that's hilarious. I want to change my outfit. I'm gonna get some Halloween stuff. I'm gonna get a treadmill and a Halloween costume next time.
A treadmill.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a treadmill.
Okay, this is
Because I started working out recently, haven't I, Rapunzel?
Yeah, sure. Okay, this is.
Francis is trying on a skin witch costume. I want to do stuff like that.
Yeah.
I know. Well, I'm gonna get a Halloween costume. It's gonna be awesome. The month of October.
Oh, this is cool. You can bring your briefcases.
Wait, oh yeah, leaf ticket. Oh god. Oh.
140 leaf tickets for the briefcase. For this dress, it is. Let's see. For this dress, it's 140 leaf tickets. For the hat,
I have
120.
You have 35 leaf tickets. I have 34. Yes, craft. Limited time.
Look at Blueberry. Yeah. Yeah, Blueberry. Yeah. Let's put No, okay. I want to make this like whole witchy vibe in this room. It's so witchy. Oh my god. Okay.
I
and then
saw
we're
I
gonna
saw a
put-
treadmill. I swear.
Put this down maybe. Or this.
Yes, limited time treadmill.
This is very witchy vibe. And now we're going to get very witchy table.
Flat screen TV. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna just video. I'll see you next time, Rapunzel.
Bye.
Bye.